Alright everyone, today here we have an SMC 5-blade hugger ceiling fan. I got this fan for free off the Facebook Marketplace. This came from the same place where I got the 5-bladed white and polished brass footprint vent ceiling fan. The homeowner originally wanted another 20 bucks for this one too, but she let me grab it for free after I helped her carry a over-the-top microwave that was sitting in the basement. She needed help lifting it carrying it from there up to the main floor, so I was able to help her with that, and she let me grab this one for free. The fan is dated February 1996, and it was sold under K-mart back in the day. Just like your typical SMC hugger fan, this fan is pretty cheap. It did come fully complete minus one screw for one of the left brackets, so I had to supply that myself, but it's not really that noticeable anyhow. The fan does fully work, it's fully functionable, but the motor itself does seem a little sluggish. Looks like it could be pick up its speed a little bit, but then again, it's just your typical cheap SMC fan, so it's not really that big in quality. I have a really good feeling this fan was probably mounted in a kitchen or something, or probably a bedroom, but the blades, especially the tips, just had really good layer of dust caked onto each blade, as well as on the sides of the blades all along the length. So obviously this fan definitely must have probably been run 24/7, and they never took the time to clean it. So I was able to get most of it off. There's still just like a little few bits and pieces on the sides of the blades, but on the other sides of the blades I didn't really bother to clean it that much. The blades are reversible from white to the polished oak side, or whatever you call it, just like on regular Hampton Bay Littletons, but the other side of the blades did have a thin coating of dust, but it's not like there where you can just blow it off. It's like caked onto the blades. So even if I scrubbed it down with my scrubby, it wouldn't really come off that well. So I figured, screw it, because I'm probably not gonna keep this fan. I just wanted to get it up for testing purposes. I'll probably just like scrap it later for parts or something, but other than that, the fan does work. And so now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. It's got some bearing noises. And it does wobble a little bit too. It's definitely noticeable on high speed. Alright, and there you guys have it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.